Good day guys, it's Chef Yuki from Farming Station. Thank you for watching this video. It's my first video with my voice because I want to tell you something more about the recipe. Oh. I hope you enjoy. Oh. Oh. And get to some extra fun. 네. Today's recipe is so simple, but this is a dish for my last supper. You will be changed about your imagine of steamed rice, especially hot and fresh steamed rice. If you put raw egg on rice, then you will see another world. Thank you for watching. Much love and see you at next video. Cheers.